Welcome to the part 3 of the Multiply by 101 series. If you've been following from part 1 and part 2, you're doing great. But now, let's handle the tricky part. Before we go there, let's quickly remind ourselves of the simple case. Let's solve 234 times 101 without using a calculator. First, write out the first two digits, which is 23. Next, write out the last two digits, which is 34. Now add the first and the last digits, which is 2 plus 4. And that equals 6. Now place the 6 in the middle of 23 and 34, and that's the answer. 23,634. Nice and easy. Now here's where it gets interesting. Pay careful attention. What happens when the sum of the first and the last digit is greater than 9? That's where most people get confused. But this is the key step. Let's find 586 times 101. Follow the same steps, write out the first two digits, which is 58. And the last two digits, which is 86. Add the first and last digits. That is 5 plus 6, which equals 11. Now, listen carefully. You can't place 11 in one position. So, we keep one and carry the other one to the 58. 58 plus 1 is 59. So we get 59,186, that's the answer. Let's try one more. 697 times 101. Write the first two digits, 69. And the last two digits, 97. Add the first and the last digits. 6 plus 7 equals 13. We keep the 3 and take 1 to 69. 69 plus 1 is 70, and we have 70,397, and that's the answer. So anytime the sum is greater than 9, look at the two digits, take the last digit to the middle, and carry the first digit to the left. That's the whole trick. Now try this. What is 875 times 101? Follow the steps and drop your answer in the comments. If you've made it this far, you've now mastered both the simple and the tricky cases. Like, share, and subscribe for more math tricks. See you in the next one.